Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I am showing you the body shop area of BMW workshop. Okay. This is where the mechanical work is done. Like small mechanical work related to body shop. Okay. The polishing is happening. This is a paint boot. Car is getting painted completely. Door is open, so luckily I can show you. This is how 7-layer painting is done. The quality of paint which we achieve is next to the factory level. It's not as the local paint. The paint store, see, hundreds of level of paints are over here, like different level of painting. See, it's all the equipments. So here the parts are kept, so no dust can enter this zone. The smallest particle would enter. This is the kind of work is done. That's why our prices are little premium compared to the local dealers. So a pre-owned customer has to understand that. Work is done in complete detail.